Hi, once again, here we are and going to review another multi-tool. Now, this multi-tool is from Maarten and the model is 875H-P. Maarten multi-tool 11-in-1 hard stainless steel multi-tool. Okay, and it came from China, and the company that creates or makes this product is from Yangling, Yangdong District, Hauxing Industry and Trade Company Limited. So here's the box. Okay, now I'm going to unbox it and we're going to make a quick review. So there is a pouch. Looks heavy duty too, and the tool looks hefty. It's quite heavy and quite large too. Look, compared to my hands. But before we open this, let's take a look at what's inside the box. So we have this some sort of a calling card or a card from Maarten, and this is their motto or company tag. Where your no, Maarten, where utility counts. Thank you for choosing Maarten. And they have a website there. I tried it. It's not online, but they do have an Instagram. What was this? They're on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Yeah, I don't know. I've not tried. I only tried the no the this martindc.edc.com, but it's non-existent or it's not functioning. Anyway, aside from that, we have this okay, owner's manual, describing the tools. Yes. Okay. So we set this aside and go to the tool itself. So okay. So this is the Maarten tool and or Maarten multi-tool, and it's quite heavy. As I mentioned earlier, it's heavy, and for us to know how heavy it is, it's already written in this owner's manual or user's guide, and it says here that it weighs 257 grams or around 9.1 ounce. And the material they used is stainless steel, and the dimension, oh, okay, the length is 10.5 centimeters, and the width is 4.2 centimeters. Okay, so this is the tool itself. I'm going to turn it around so you can have a better look at it. So it's a combination of black, and this is silver, some sort of a silver paint. No, it's not really stainless. The body itself, maybe the tool itself, like this, it's stainless, but this one it's painted. I don't think it's stainless. Okay, so okay. First of all, there's a built-in carabiner, so it's easy to carry even without the pouch. You can put it in your bag. I mean, if your bag has some sort of a sling, you can use this, or in your pants. But it's not advisable because it's actually too heavy for that. And for that purpose, maybe perhaps they have provided this heavy duty Molex pouch, which has a what do you call this, a something which you will use for your belt. No? You will put it in your belt so you can carry this tool, no? Wherever you will be going. So let's try to open a tool on this side. Uh, Apparently, I think there's only one tool on this side, and this is a saw. Okay, there. Okay, and it has a liner lock. Okay, so you won't be accidentally be closing it and be hurting yourself. So that's a good touch. So to close it, you just have to push this liner lock and close this saw. On the other side, okay, you have this knife. Okay, and once again, it has that liner lock for safety. Okay, good, good, good. And the other tools that we have here are this one. Okay, this is a small Phillips screwdriver. Okay, it does not have a lock, but it's sturdy. You cannot really just accidentally close it because you need some sort of pressure, or you need to put in some strength to be able to close it. So that's good. So in lieu of the lock, they made it hard for you to close it. This one is okay. This is a can opener, and it also has a wire stripper over there. Okay, good. And I see just one more tool here, and this is okay. This is a flathead screwdriver, and it's large enough to be able to double as a pry bar. And aside from that, you have this bottle cap opener. But one thing I noticed is, look, now it's wiggly. It's wiggly. Okay. But anyway, if you're going to use this bottle cap opener like that, no, the wiggle won't matter. But again, no, it's better if there's no wiggle. I don't know if this is a bad copy or every Martin tool of this model has that wiggly thing. Anyway, let's continue, and let's open this. For the main tool, its main tool would be this pliers. Okay, this pliers is spring loaded for easy handling, and it's a short needle nose pliers actually, and you have this non-replaceable wire cutter, and at the end, that one there, the one with the notch, would be your hard wire cutter. Okay, so let's discuss about the price a little. You see, when I research the internet, I discovered that this particular Martin tool, or maybe Martin itself as a multi-tool company, has been existing for around more or less 4 years already, almost the fifth year, no? Because the 2024 is almost over, no? So, and this one is actually a budget multi-tool, and I got it really cheap, really inexpensive, because I got it for only 330 Philippine pesos. 330 pesos. And if you're going to convert it right now into US dollars, the conversion rate, I googled it, and it actually cost me less than $6 to purchase this Martin multi-tool, and that is a super bargain, really. I'm happy. No, the quality is not that high, but good enough. No? Actually, I cannot say that it's excellent, but it's actually good. No, nearly very good. If I'm going to rate the workmanship, maybe this is 8 out of 10, and that is high already. Look, huh? It's good. No, and for that price, you cannot really fault it that much. So this is something that you can put in your glove compartment inside your car, or if you are going to do some light camping, You just throw it away, and not throw it away, but throw it. I mean, throw it in your camping bag, and this thing, because it's so cheap, it's so inexpensive, it won't really matter, or it won't really hurt you, even if it gets lost, or it becomes broken, because it's so cheap, really. And I am amazed that this product, the company is able to price it that that cheap, that inexpensive. So that is my quick review of this Maarten multi-tool, and my conclusion would be, um, if you want to buy an inexpensive, a really inexpensive multi-tool, that you can use every day, no? Then that will be this Martin. No? So once again, I'm telling you, even if it gets lost, even if it gets broken, it won't hurt your pocket really. So this is the everyday multi-tool for every man. So thank you for watching, and once again, have a good day.